Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 movers cheap Norton local and long distance movers near me. If you're looking for the most successful long distance moving services, look no further. When you're traveling large distances, here are some factors to keep in mind. Some of these include how you intend to move your belongings, like furniture, across a vast distance. Whether the relocation inside the state or crosses borders, it will take a significant amount of planning to be successful. Such relocation is no issue for 3 movers. Our movers are well trained and careful, and they'll treat your possessions with the utmost care. When handling your assets, you can count on us to be orderly and thorough. To guarantee that everything goes according to plan, we'll work with you to design a detailed relocation plan. We assure you that you'll get the best in terms of quality. It makes no difference how far your home or new office space is. You can rest knowing that your possessions are in good hands. Insurance plans are in place to assist you in paying for any damages that may arise during and after the relocation. Are you relocating within the same area or looking for a trustworthy moving company to assist you? Say you've landed at just the correct place. Our clients may benefit from our low cost and convenient local moving services. We charge between $30 and $40 per hour for our services. In addition to local and long distance moving, our Norton moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.